Hi and welcome to Mataba News Report. Domestic disputes claims the life of a woman in Paket's KZN. A woman's life was tragically ended during what police believed was a domestic dispute in a section Paket in the early hours of Thursday morning. At approximately 1:45, 3 men arrived at a reaction unit South Africa headquarters in a black VW Golf, urgently requesting help for a woman who they claim had been shot during an altercation. Reaction officers accompanied them on foot to a nearby residence, navigating a narrow driveway to reach the scene. Upon entering the home, officers discovered the woman lying on her back and showing no signs of life. A preliminary assessment revealed no gunshot wound, contradicting the initial report made by the men. Instead, the victim bore visible injuries consistent with a violent assault. Next to the body, responders found a slasher, which investigators believe may have been used in the attack. A blood-stained dish and a towel were also revealed, suggesting efforts had been made to clean the scene before authorities arrived. Community members told the police the incident stemmed from a domestic altercation and that the victim's boyfriend fled the scene before police could detain him. The South African police has opened a murder investigation, urging anyone with information to come forward as they piece together the events leading to the woman's death. The incident adds to a border and troubling pattern of gender-based violence cases reported across KwaZulu-Natal and South Africa, where domestic disputes frequently escalate into a fatal assault or murder. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.